Hello. Did you say 219?
Yep. 2-1.
Oh wow, we way
Down there around the corner. Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
excuse us. Wow, it's dark. See how dark it is?
It's dark, baby. It's lit up in there, though.
Hmm.
It was lit up in the living room.
This is a maze trying to find our home, guys.
We got 100 more rooms to go.
You said 219.
Yes, ma'am. We're at the front. We're at the front. Hello.
Hi. Hi. That's where we should have got off.
Yeah. We know that.
So this one?
Yeah. He's got us in the back of the boat on the front of the boat.
Front.
With your 85 pound bag.
67?
And then I'll follow with my 105.
65?
You're good, though.
Wilma?
Eliza, come on.
Elijah, go ahead. Go ahead, guys.
Excuse
Thank
us.
you.
What's your room
Excuse
number,
us.
sir?
No, it's right here. He's with
Oh, he's
us.
with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're in there.
63?
63?
Trying not to roll over no feet. We're getting closer. I see your Meg.
Oh. Is this it?
That's it.
219. 219.
Shall I do the honors?
Yes. They only have one of my bags. That's one of my bags.
The other 7 will be here shortly.
Greg is carrying that one, and I got, what, one more?
You want to go first?
You go first, babe.
Here I go.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
This is our room. It's so much smaller. Let's turn on some light.
We just came from a hotel room, baby.
Babe, can I see a card?
Probably what you remember.
Yeah. Let's turn on some light, guys. This is our room. It's still dark. We need some light. Guys, I'm trying to see where the light is. Okay, there we go. There we go, guys. So this is our room.
We choose fun.
Let's look at them. These are the closets.
Hey,
Yes.
look at this.
Okay. This is the bathroom, guys. Hello. That's the shower. I can't get in there too much, guys.
There's something you didn't tell me about?
Wow. First, let's get this, and then
Get this face.
guys, he's looking like that because I told him I didn't book us a balcony, but I fooled him. Wow. Guys, this is the balcony.
Hallelujah now. What's wrong with this one?
Wow, this is the balcony, guys. I fooled you, I fooled you.
I'm gonna need a hug on that one. Thank you, baby. You know how I roll, girl. I love me a balcony, y'all. Got to have it when possible.
But this is the room, guys.
This is the Carnival Mardi Gras.